Your health begins with what's on your plate. Meal planning is the secret weapon to nourish your body, save time, and achieve maximum health. Today, I'll uncover the benefits of adopting the gold standard in meal planning. Start with smart preparation. Plan your weekly meals, focusing on various whole, nutrient-rich foods. Create a balanced grocery list with lean proteins, colorful fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. This ensures you're equipped with everything you need to stay on track. Meal prep is a game changer. Spend a couple of hours preparing ingredients or full meals in advance. Not only does this save you time during busy weekdays, but it also eliminates the temptation to rely on unhealthy takeout or snacks. Portion control is key. Preparing meals ahead of time allows you to maintain balance and avoid overeating. Plus, it helps you hit your nutritional goals without stress or guesswork. Consistency is where the magic happens. When you fuel your body with the right nutrients every day, you'll experience sustained energy, improved digestion, better focus, and even a stronger immune system. It's a simple habit that delivers unmatched benefits. Meal planning is more than just a strategy. It's a commitment to your health and well-being. Cherish your health by adopting this gold standard habit and see how it transforms your life. Subscribe for more health tips.